Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling and welcome back to my channel for another Christmas project. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create 4 winter hats shaped cards. So if you like them, I really hope you will feel inspired to create something similar along with me. I use SVG file for design bundles and I use my ScanNCut machine to cut that intricate hat, but also I created the background panel and then I cut them out using 300 GSM white multi-purpose card. If you're interested in any of the products I use in today's video, you can check the description down below. As you can see, I'm using my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, to assemble all those pieces together. And for the very first card, I decided to keep it simple. So this one will be white on white. I wonder, how often do you create one on white projects? Let me know in the comments down below. Then for the sentiment, I use Festive curved Gemini, Crafter's Companion stamp set and die set. But in this case, I'm only going to use the stamp and I chose beautiful sentiment from this collection. And I'm going to use a cushion I got from the acrylic blocks I bought a few weeks ago, and it is perfect cushion for all the stamping. I wonder, if you do any stamping, do you use special cushion or do you just use your flat surface? Let me know, maybe you've got a better trick. To create myself a back panel, I'm going to use my scoring board from Crafter's Companion, and using my scissors I'm going to cut a little bit of that pom-pom at the top because we want that professional finish on the card. So as you can see, this card literally takes no time as it is white on white. And if you like that look, let me know in the comments down below. I'm also going to use my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, to put all those elements together, because not only it is a bookbinding glue, but you do have time to maneuver all those elements. And it's always a good idea to burnish your card inside as well. It is time to add a little bit of sparkle, and I'm going to use Spectrum Noir clear overlay. I absolutely love it, and when it dries the sparkle is absolutely incredible. But you can also use some glitter if you want, or Wink of Stella if you have this one as well. I really hope you will feel inspired to create a shaped Christmas card. If not in the shape of a winter hat, maybe something different. And if you create a shaped card for Christmas, let me know in the comments down below, because I would absolutely love to see it. So our card is done. Super simple, isn't it? What do you think about card number 1? Time for card number 2, and this time I'm going to use ombre foil card from Hobbycraft. It has beautiful silver and blue color, and it is 250 GSM. I absolutely love that silver foil, and I thought it would be perfect for a winter hat. If you agree, let me know in the comments down below. I've never ever created a winter hat card, so I thought today is the day. So I found that SVG file on design bundles, and I thought, yes, I'm going to create some Christmas winter hat cards. But I had so many ideas how to make those cards, but in the end I created 4 at one go. But if you have any other ideas how I can use that cutting file, let me know in the comments down below. I'm going to use the same sentiment I used for the very first card, using the ink pad from Spectrum Noir. In this case, again, it is waterproof, but to be honest, it doesn't really matter what ink you use. If you make a mistake or if you're not happy how it is stamped, you can always use a trick I'm going to show you later on. And our cut is nearly complete. All we have to do is to put the back panel. And again, I'm going to use my scoring board from Crafter's Companion, create a flap, so we have to score, burnish, fold, and put those 2 pieces together. Super simple. And it's always a good idea to actually rub your fold inside as well, which means to burnish it. And this way everything will be adhered forever. So what do you think about card number 2? Do you think it has a better look than white on white? I'm really curious what you think, so let me know. And again, I'm going to use that clear overlay on pom-pom, and the cut is done. What do you think? Are you ready for card number 3? This time I'm going to use Ombre Designs Bright design paper. As you can see, it has lots of beautiful patterns and ombre colors, but in this case I chose that teal blue, and I thought that will work so well with a winter hat. I wonder how often do you use design parts in your card making? Let me know. Or maybe you have your favorite for Christmas. As you can see, for all these cards I'm not using Christmas related parts because I thought let's go very wild and vivid with all the colors. So as you can see, you don't really need any Christmas design papers to create those Christmas cards. And again, I'm going to use the sentiment from Festive Curved Banner Sentiments from Crafter's Companion, but this time I'm going to use Merry Christmas. And I think a little bit of variation in a very small card collection really makes a difference. And I wonder, if you create a small collection of cards at one go, how many do you usually create? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you feel inspired by this video, I really hope you will hit that notification bell, because every Monday I've got personalized cards on my channel, and on Thursdays Christmas project. And every single subscriber means a lot to me. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, because that means a lot. And I also wonder, how many Christmas cards have you created this year? It is time to add a little bit more sparkle, and in this case I'm going to use pearls from Hunkydory. As you can see, they go really well with that design paper, and our card will be nearly complete, but yes, we have to add that back panel. And again, using my scissors, I'm going to cut the excess of the pom-pom, create that score line, fold it, burnish, and put those two pieces together. Super simple. In total, all those cards took me about 35 minutes, so super simple. To be honest, the cutting on ScanNCut machine took a little bit longer, but I used 12 by 12 inches card, which means that took less time. So if you want to create 4 cards at one go, I suggest you use 12 by 12 card to create all your panels, because this way you can create 4 panels, because I wanted all my cards to be 6 by 6 inches. So I think this is the easiest way. Now I'm going to cover the design paper inside. As you can see, I use another blank hat, and I'm going to put it inside. Super quick, simple, and no one will ever see it. And there is plenty of space to write your message inside. And what I really like about those hats, they stand proudly on a flat surface. For the last card, I decided to create my own background panel. But if you're not happy with any of the cutting, you can always use your scissors to trim a little bit of excess. And as you can see, I'm going to use the back of one of the design cards. And I'm going to use 3 Distress Oxide inks in Prize Ribbon, Broken China, and Peacock feathers. And again, if you're interested in any of the products I use in today's video, check the description down below. And if you use my affiliate links, that really supports my channel, so thank you so much. But this is at no extra cost for you. So our background panel is ready. If you want, you can use some water to sprinkle to add a little bit more watercolor effect. Now I'm going to use Sweet Christmas stamps. As you can see, already created all of those beautiful gingerbread stamps and images, and I always keep them at the back of the packaging. So if I create more at one go, I still have plenty for more projects. And I wonder, do you do the same? Or do you create enough for one project? I'm really curious. As you can see, this time I'm using the sentiment from Sweet Christmas stamp set collection. However, I was not very happy how it turned out, so I'm going to use my Faber-Castell PITT Artist Pen Soft Brush in 199 black color. And this way it is so easy to fix any of the sentiments. As you can see, the tip is very beautiful, very thin, and it is a brush nib, which means you can actually, the more pressure you apply, the wider it gets. That's why I really like it, and I thought it will be perfect to fix this sentiment. However, if you want, you can always leave it as it is. No one will ever know. But I really wanted to add that extra contrast with proper black color. And it is time to put all those elements together, and I wonder, what do you think about those gingerbread images here? Do you like them? Or would you color them differently? I use my Zig markers to color them in, and yes, I used some of them last year, that's why I had some left over. And if you do create lots of images, do you keep them for next year or do you throw them away? Please let me know in the comments down below. And our card is nearly ready. I'm just trying to find some of the gingerbread here. Here I've got gingerbread girl and gingerbread boy, and as you can see they actually match my background. That was a pure coincidence. I really didn't think I will have some in blue for this card. And again, I'm going to use my scissors to cut the excess of the pom-pom, and it is time to score it, fold it, burnish, and put those two pieces together. And what do you think about all those 4 techniques to create shaped cards? Let me know. I also wonder, have you ever used SVG files to create your own card blanks and card bases? Now I'm going to use the same pearls from Hunkydory, and the card is complete. It is time to add a little bit more sparkle. I simply couldn't resist. I really like that clear overlay from Spectrum Noir, and I really think it makes a difference, especially when it dries. And now you can see all 4 cards side by side, and I wonder, which one is your favorite? Which one do you like the most? Let me know in the comments down below. And now, thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, because every Monday and Thursday I've got videos on my channel. Have a wonderful day and see you in my next video. Happy crafting!